Hey guys, what's up and welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you are new here, hey, what's up? My name's Dani. I am a junior in college. I study at Loyola University, Maryland, but this semester I'm studying abroad in Spain. And as you guys can tell from the title, this weekend I'm going to the Canary Islands. Random, I know, but the Canary Islands are technically a part of Spain, and it's a really popular destination to go if you are looking for a beach weekend, and that is exactly what my friends and I have been craving. So we are going to be spending pretty much the entire weekend on the beach, and I have never been so excited, but I have to leave like 2 minutes ago for the airport, so I'm gonna go, and I just cannot wait to take you guys along with me. So make sure to subscribe if you have not done so already, and let's go. Alright, so now that we're waiting for one of our friends to meet us at the bus station, I figured I could give you guys a little bit of more information on what exactly we're doing this weekend. So we are going to Tenerife, which is one of the Canary Islands. We're going to be spending all of our time in North Tenerife, and we're going to be there all weekend. This is our first experience staying in a hostel, which is also going to be very exciting. And we are just, oh my god, like we haven't been able to stop smiling like that all day. Hi, Joseph. Want to say hi to the vlog? Not yet.
It's not there yet.
Gotta warm up to it. I understand. Alright guys, so we just landed in Tenerife. You should have seen our reactions when we were approaching the island. There were like mountains peering out of the clouds, and Liz was sitting in front of me. We literally turned around at the same time. We were like, oh my god. We were freaking out. But now we're in a cab and we are heading off to our hostel. I think we might make it in time for sunset. I'm not sure. But I will talk to you guys when we get to the hostel. This is so weird. Oh my god, that is the ocean right there. Guys, this is so cool. Our first hostel experience. We got really lucky. We technically all got our own room because initially we were supposed to be living with strangers, but it had enough beds where 4 of us are all together. So that's really nice. And then Adelina and Brooklyn are in the room downstairs. But this is really cool. Where are we going? Where's the party? Oh my god. Oh my god. Shut up.
That's going on the vlog.
Oh, I wish I was walking behind you.
Yes.
It literally feels like we're on vacation. This is wild.
No, put it next. Yeah. Oh my god, Adelina.
Adelina, are you kidding me?
Wait, this is right.
Like, really?
Tenerife.
Let's go stay on the beach.
Oh my god, please.
Wow, I love this so much. Can we do that? Alright guys, that is going to be it for tonight. Right now it is 1 o'clock in the morning. We just spent basically the entire night running around on the beach and drinking sangria, eating paella. It was an amazing day, and I cannot wait to spend the entire day on the beach tomorrow. So, I will talk to you guys in the morning. Good morning everyone. It is officially the first day in Tenerife. It is not even 10 o'clock. We got such an early start this morning and we ate breakfast, considering this hostel has complimentary breakfast, which is really nice. And now we're about to head down to the beach. Last night when we were walking around, I wish I was able to get more footage for you guys because it was just like the most wholesome thing. We're just like dancing around on the beach and I don't know, it was so cool. But in that time we also stopped and got sunscreen, so we're gonna be protected and it's just gonna be an amazing day. So hope you guys are enjoying the video and let's go to the beach. Alright guys, so we have officially set up camp at the beach. We've been here for about an hour and a half, and we're probably gonna stay here until it's lunchtime. So we're just gonna lay out, enjoy our time here. Adelina actually brought out her speaker, which is really nice, so we've been listening to some relaxing music, and I will catch up with you guys when we decide to go get some food. Alright guys, so we left the beach a little while ago, and now we are on our way to find some food. We were there, how long were we there actually?
3-4 hours.
Holy shit. We were literally there for 3-4 hours. The happiest 3-4 hours I've had in a while, and now we're all starving. So I think we're heading towards a pizzeria. It's kind of hard, and I've found that this is a trend in like the Canary Islands as well as Spain as a whole. It's kind of hard to find things on Yelp sometimes, so you kind of just have to go and try and find things on your own. But regardless, we're starving, hoping to find something even slightly edible that will make me happy. All right, now we're doing some exploring. Okay.
That last one was a little
Guys, where are we? Oh my god.
It's just like my
It looks just like the picture. This is crazy. Can we just talk about how cute my friends are? Look at them. They're so cute. Oh my god, look, 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 look!
Ooh, that was cool.
Wow. This is crazy. Like, I don't know what I did to deserve to be here right now with these amazing people, but I did something, and I am so grateful. It gave me the idea because look, best friends are never apart, S and C. Isn't that cute? The British are coming, the British are coming. Oh my god. Oh, hell yeah. Wait, this is so cool. Hey, hi. Hi, girlie. Alright guys, so we are about to head out for dinner actually. It's been a second since I've actually spoken to you, but once we got home from the beach, we were kind of all exhausted and nearly passed out in bed. But now that we're ready for dinner, we're gonna head out, go explore, and yeah, just wanted to give you guys a little update. It's been a second since I've spoken to you. Also, just as a little update, I'm not the biggest fan of hostels. I don't really know if it's just this one. I feel like there are definitely nicer ones, but I'm not the biggest fan. Anyway, now let's go to dinner. Oh my god. Wait, it looks even better on the camera. This is why we shouldn't be allowed at fancy restaurants. That was delicious.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys? We're back at the gelato place. Second time today. This is so cute.
Everyone comment down below your favorite flavor of ice cream.
Gelato, to be specific.
Hola, un copa mediano de café. Café. Sí. Gracias. Hello guys, and welcome to the last day in Tenerife. I am so sad that we have to leave today. The good thing is our flight is until 7, so we have pretty much the entire day to just spend on the beach. So that's what we plan on doing. It's a beautiful day. It's still super early, so the clouds are still there, but it's supposed to be like 85 degrees today. So I'm assuming that won't last for very long. But we ate breakfast, we relaxed, we packed up, and we are ready to spend the next like multiple hours of our life laying on this beach. I really don't want to leave. Oh my god. 2, 1.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday bed.
I've eaten my entire body weight in gelato and crepes this entire weekend, but I'm just using the excuse that we're on vacation. That's kind of just like what we've been saying, that we're on vacation and we deserve it. So naturally, we're going to the gelato place for the 3rd time in 1 weekend. I feel like I'm gonna drop mine. We did this exact same thing yesterday where we got our gelato and we sat on this ledge, and we actually, how long did we sit here?
Like so long.
We sat here for such a long time. We just people watch, and I think it was collectively our favorite part of the day yesterday. So to end off our last day in the Canary Islands, we're doing the exact same thing. Oh my god, they're so cute!
That huge kazoo.
I love everything about that. Hi. Oh no, don't hump my leg, please. That dog was about to hump my leg. Is there anything in there?
Yeah, a little chapel.
Oh my god. Guys, I don't want to leave. I don't want to leave.
Dude, Baltimore's crazy.
Baltimore looks so beautiful tonight. Bye, puppy. I miss you. No, I won't. You barked at me. Bye. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for this vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure to let me know in a comment down below, as well as give this video a big thumbs up. Guys, if they watch to the end of the video, what do they need to comment down below?
Well, who's the ugly one?
Oh my god! You just ruined that.
That's a great question.
You just ruined that whole thing.
If you guys watched to the end of this video, comment down below the word gelato so I know that you watched however long this video is, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye! Everyone on 3, 1, 2, 3. Bye!